Okay, so let's take a look at how you can use integer data type in Apex with your Salesforce developer console. Okay, so open developer console and we will execute our code that makes use of integer data type. So now that developer console is loaded, we will go to debug menu and open execute anonymous window. Now here what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in integer, then my integer, let's give this value 5500. okay, now let's see if we can output that. So output integer, then append your my integer value. Let's just extend this. Now we can execute this and see the output in log. Okay, so click on execute. Okay, variable does not exist. Oh sorry, there is a typo. Variable integer. Okay, hopefully that works. Now that should open new log. Okay, and here we have to find user debug. So user info, then heap. Let's take a look at user debug. Okay, so here you see user debug has output integer value of 5500. So you get the idea how to read the integer value and how to output that through variable. Okay, so this was about integer data type in Apex.